So for the grilled cheese, you need bread and mayo in a hot pan. And cheese. Yeah, I said mayo, not butter. Hey, hey, hey. Don't knock it till you try it. One more. Telling you, it's gonna be the best grilled cheese. Y'all don't even know. Weird. Maybe you don't, but it's sizzling. While that's toasting, let's stir this. It's bubbling up. Basil, sweet basil. So good and creamy. That toast up. One moment. I'm ready to add the cheese. Got Kobe Jack. And got sharp cheddar. I'm gonna do half and half. Half and half. It was calling me. One moment. And we're back. Put the other bread on there. Get ready to flip it. I'm finna get ready to flip it. Wait. The cheese fell off. Cheese down. Hold on, y'all. Don't stick to the thing. Okay. Okay, saved it. Flip it. Flip it. It's buttery. One moment. Toast a little bit more. This is perfect. Buttery. I said good and buttery. Let's scoop up some seasoning. Some tomato seed. I'm gonna eat a big bowl, but I know she probably just gonna eat a small bowl, enough to dunk her sandwich. But hey, I would take this and put some sour cream, chives, maybe some spring onion, bacon bits. However you eat your chili or your baked potato, you can eat your tomato soup the same way. And that is, see it? It's lunch. Let's try it. We gonna see what she say. All right, y'all. She eating that up there. She quarantined. What's the verdict? I get one. You gotta eat it with it. Dip it in the soup and see.
Dip it in.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. It's good. It tastes like another one, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
She said, I only get one sandwich. Where the other sandwich at?
One is fine. I got some. Thank you.
You're welcome. You want some crackers? Sour cream, chives, extra cheese for your soup? Okay. Thumbs up. All right, y'all. Can you taste the squash in it? Mm-mm. That squash just makes it creamy, makes it taste homemade, and it is not homemade. It's semi-homemade.
Oh.
And what's wrong with that? Nothing. What's wrong with semi-homemade, Didi?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, y'all. It's soup season. Let me know how you make your tomato soup. What do you pair it with? What do you eat on top of it? Do at me. Split screen me. Something. Let me know.